What is going on YouTube? I am back on the 67 Mustang project, and today is all reassembly and me driving this car. I'm hoping that I can make the video look kind of hype. I'm using my old GoPro. I knew my Hero 9 needs a new battery. I guess that's probably why I was having so many issues with footage corrupting and it shutting off randomly. Kind of makes sense. So I'm getting a new battery for that. In the meantime, I'm on the Hero 4, so the video might look a little brighter than usual. Maybe not as much saturation because I have all those things kind of played with on the other one. But I got to get the front end on first. If that interests you, stick around. Off camera, I did go ahead and wash everything. I'm going to put the heater core in first. That's not going to be really exciting, but I'm going to put the heater core in while the fenders are off. I'll paint that new torque box, and then I'm going to get the front end back on this car. Now, my advice to you is leave everything loose. And what I mean by that is I'm going to put the fenders on, I'm going to put the valence on, I'm going to put everything on sort of hand tight where I can still bump it. That way I can get all of my gaps set and perfect on the car so that it looks chef's kiss, and then I will tighten everything down. I need to body work the doors and still paint them blue. As you can probably see, they still got the primer on them. I need to body work the firewall and do all that, but I'm gonna do that once it's put back together. So let's start putting it back together. Move your whole body back. Move back. Move back. Move back. There you go. There you go. Just a little bit. That other way. There you go. Take it easy for a minute. She's driving good though. Feels a lot stiffer with those subframe connectors in that torque box. The front end's not shaking as much. It feels more rigid. I can hear my exhaust clanking around though because it's kind of loose. I hear some weird noises. I still need to balance the drive shaft. I still need to put track bars on it. I want to put a posi in it. So there's plenty of work that I need to do to it. It's not perfect. It's kind of a forever project, but It is driving really, really good, which makes me happy. So there you go, everybody. It is so nice to finally have this car back. Me driving it was actually probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago at this point, and I just haven't had a chance to film an outro. But this is the last video in the series. I'm going to get back to doing some aircraft stuff coming up very soon. Thank you so much for sticking along. I still got some stuff I got to do to this car. I got some wiring I got to fix. I want to get a front end alignment. When I pulled the front end off, I realized the wheels were like this. It's really bad. But I want to get a front end alignment. I want to get an actual exhaust on it because these old glass packs are not doing it anymore. And I have something very special from Tom's Refurb. If you know who that is, you'll probably know what I bought for it. But I have something very special from Speedy's Equipment for this car that I'm going to be putting on it. And I'd like to take it to some autocross events and just start trying to enjoy it. Slowly but surely, I've been trying to get it to a point where it's more and more and more drivable. And I think it's at that point where once I get a front end alignment, I can reliably take it down the highway without really any problems. I will say this, with a T5 in it, it might look like I was driving a little aggressive there, but part of that is the GoPro frame rate. And then the other part of that is just first gear is very, very, very short in this car. It's maybe doing like 25 miles an hour at red line. And then second gear isn't much taller. So at most, I think it's probably doing like 45. And that's being pretty generous. It sounds great, but it's really not moving all that fast. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stick around for some more aircraft content. And as always, go build something and be easy.